back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you, just specifically for you. Now, I have seen in the comments where people are looking for part-time nights, weekends, evening jobs because you have a full-time job and you're trying to make extra money and work around those other jobs and other responsibilities. I know a lot of you are wanting non-phone jobs that are nights and weekends. I am keeping my eye out for anything specific that I know someone is looking for, so of course feel free to leave down below in the comments what you're looking for. Even if I don't always respond, I am reading those and keeping that in mind. But with that being said, today's job lead is going to be part-time evenings and weekends. Now it is going to be phone based. Unfortunately, I haven't found one yet that is non-phone, but I am working on it. But the company is Vibes. Now, Vibes has 85 reviews on Glassdoor and a rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're hiring a part-time customer care agent. Now, this is remote for the United States only. Now, it does state that they are open 24/7, 365, but they're specifically looking for someone to work evenings and weekends. This is 100% remote and a part-time opportunity, but you'll basically be providing 24/7 fast, friendly, and accurate Tier 1 support for all their internal and external stakeholders with program, product, and system task questions and incidents. So they are in the mobile marketing technology field, so you're going to be helping with all of that. You'll maintain primary ownership of customer care needs for unexpected and time-sensitive incident management, tracking, and resolution, monitoring those key connectivity platform tools and systems, making sure they're functioning in optimal performance levels. And of course, you'll leverage multiple tools, including like Zendesk, Jira, and Confluence. They are not requiring any kind of a college degree, even though they say this position might be ideal for a college student studying in the technology or marketing field, or recent graduates looking to get some hands-on experience. No degree is actually needed. You do need to know how to be proficient in Microsoft Office, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. You have to be detail-oriented, very organized, and have strong communication skills. Now, the hourly pay for this position is anywhere from $20 an hour all the way up to $21 an hour, and even part-time employees get paid sick time and 401k plan with a match. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you enjoy job leads like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback. Share with all your friends and family. Also, don't forget you can leave anything in the comments specific to what you're looking for, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.